to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith and here is Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies on a budget friendly account. In case this is your first time here, you're so much welcome, because this is a home where you're gonna become a better cook at the comfort of your home. And in case you're a returning subscriber, more love to you. Our today's recipe on Cookie's Patisserie is a homemade simple orange cake recipe. So right away, let's get into the ingredients. And to our ingredients, with me here I have 5 eggs. Kindly do beat your eggs separately. 220 grams of sugar, 250 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 125 ml of milk, 170 grams of margarine. Then here is my orange flavor. Then this is my orange essence. So right away, let's get started. This is my greased tin, so kindly just make sure you do the preparations of everything before you get started. So first step, guys, we are going to cream our sugar and margarine until light and puffy. So you're going to add in your sugar, add in your margarine. Don't worry, this step, if you don't have a hand mixer, you can still use your whisk. So I'm just first going to mix it. So guys, at this stage, we are now going to come in with our mixer, or now your hand whisk. So guys, look at that, white and fluffy. So the next thing, we are going to add in our eggs one by one. Then we are going to add in our orange essence. We're going to mix it with our eggs. Going to add in our milk. We're now going to go in with our dry ingredients, and I'm going to add in my baking powder to my flour. This is 1 tablespoon. We're going to sieve it. I'm going to mix it. Before mixing in with your mixer, you can use a spatula to avoid the flour spreading out. So you can now go in with your mixer. Then the last thing, we are going to now add in our orange flavor. So I'm going to measure half a tablespoon. Like so, then mix it. So when your butter is mixed nicely, we are going to add into our baking tin. And so guys, finally we are going to tap it like this to remove the excess air. Guys, I have preheated my oven for 160 degrees for 10 minutes, and I'm going to bake it for 50 minutes at 160 degrees. Look at that height, guys. I love. Then we're going to remove this. Voila! Guys, and the cake is so moist, as you can see. Oh my god, I am loving this. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching till the end. I will be coming back with more amazing and simple cake recipes, guys. Look at this. I love it, I love it, I love it. So till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye, adios.